7th, go. Okay, that's the last bullet. That was the last bullet. Oh no, go. That's the last one, go.
Oh, there you go.
That's the 7th. That's the 7th.
Oh, shit.
Okay, one more. 6th. That's the 6th. That's the 6th. One more shot.
Oh.
Okay, that's the last. Okay, no.
Here's another one in there.
No, there's only one bullet.
That's okay. We have more bullets.
I know. Yeah.
I want to try one.
We have more bullets.
You ready?
Yeah.
Go.
Ready?
Yeah.
Oh.
It was a dud. It was a dud.
No, you gotta pull back all the
I
way.
hear one in there, but I think it's, I don't know.
No,
Yeah, there's no more in there.
No, I'll tell you when to end it.
All right.
I'll tell you when to end it.
Okay.
I don't know. I don't know.
And you gotta pull back all the way until it
I
clicks.
don't know.
Until it clicks.
It's cold out here.
How do you?
I'm going to get some leggings.
I can't open this. There we go. Okay.
Don't waste them.
Huh?
Drop them all over the floor. Ground. I think he's not wasting them.
How do you get these out?
Little pellets.
Was those the size that killed the cat?
What?
No,
Oh, okay.
that was a pellet gun.
Oh, okay.
The pellet was bad.
Yeah.
It was really
I know, especially in the house.
in the house and the back of the head.
Oh. How big were the bullets?
They were like that big.
That's pretty damn big.
Yeah, they were big. And so right
Okay,
into
got
his brain
7.
and like, yeah, it was
Jesus.
really bad.
At least it wasn't one of the kids.
Oh my God. I can't even
Yeah.
imagine. I told him to go put that shit away. Stop that. And he
Yeah.
wouldn't even stop.
How old is he? Was he Levi's age?
Yeah, about, yeah,
8 or
about-
9?
Yeah, about that. Yeah.
Hmm.
Okay.
Okay, so Mom,
What?
there's 7 bullets in there. So
'Kay.
whenever you shoot,
Mhm.
you have to wait for 7 cocks.
Okay.
Fox.
7 cocks.
You start recording?
Mm-hmm.
1. So hard. I need to go closer. I can't even see.
She's all, yeah.
That's
can I
a
just
little
take
close.
the fucking car away and just be a little bitch and tell you to fucking sit and you're still gonna take my dogs out, right? Yeah, of course I am. Of course I am.
Number 2.
You still missed.
Whatever. Here, I'm gonna set up the
All right,
camera.
hold on.
No, hold on. Wait until mine are gone.
No, you're not putting the camera where you're shooting. There's no way.
No.
No way. No
That's not what I'm doing.
No way. Absolutely not. I'm not taking no hour-long video, honey. I'm gonna.
I'm not doing this.
Okay. Well, I'll film you for a little bit longer, and then I'm not gonna film anymore.
Number 3. I'm not gonna miss this time.
Well, I would hope not. You're 5 feet away from it.
2, 3, miss the 3.
Go.
I'm scared. Oh, okay, that was.
What's happening?
Levi, what are you doing with the gun?
I don't know. I was wondering that myself.
There you go. Okay, there you go.
All right. Honey, you got my hopes up.
I don't know.
And I'm thinking that I want to introduce you to my kinfolk.
Okay, number 5. Number 5.
Uh-huh.
Number
So,
5.
and go.
I hate the smoke.
Go. There you go.
Okay, number 5. Number 6. Number 6. Number 7.
Was it the last one?
That was the last one.
Okay,
Oh,
I'm.
wait, no. Wait,
What was that? 7?
that was not 7. I guess I'm counting wrong. I put 7 in here. Am I shooting air?
Hmm.
I'm shooting air.
No.
Yes, I have.
How?
Treatment. Wow.
All right, Levi, can I be done filming for a little bit? Okay.